A tough call. This is a tough call. I pulled these 4 cars off because they all had incandescent lights and they were pulling 1 amp, those 4 cars. So I put him back on. Now he's struggling right now, 15 volts, but he's only pulling 1.4 amps. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I took those 4 off, put 6 on. 2 baggage, no lights, and 4 boxcars, no lights. So the only power drawn is for the motor. And he gets enough amps, then he takes off. So I'm thinking I'm going to try that smaller battery, a smaller magnet. See how jittery, and he has no weight on, so he really can't pull smoothly. A heavy load, he can't pull it. So that's 15 volts. Now he really likes that straight because he'll start out at 15, 1.4, and we'll see at the end what he's doing. You can hear it. He's taking that 15 and he got it down to 1.2. I didn't show you, did I? It was at 1.2, I swear. There it was for a little bit. When he hits those straights, he can get 1.2. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cars. A Casey Jones Atlantic chassis, sheet metal, weighs about 3 pounds, if that, with permanent magnet armature, digital reverse, and soon to get smoke. Oh yeah, we're not messing around. We're gonna load him up. I think this chassis, I can get them for $6. I'll tell you where. Steve has them for $6. Now, you got to be careful because that means you still need an armature and you still need that brush plate. But for $6, here you go. And what I'm doing right now is designing body mounts for this thing so that we can put other bodies on, or we can actually put on the Casey Jones like a normal human without having to be a gorilla. I know. Yeah, that jitter, that's a weight problem, and we'll fix that when we get all our stuff on it. Get all our stuff on it. See now, he could pull out of the yard. See that? He could pull out of the yard at 12 volts. Nice and slow, chuffing and puffing. Get a steam whistle going. Coming. And then he picks up his speed. 17 volts. So don't go there. He will take it. He's doing pretty good, I have to say. I think he's doing pretty good for the mass. And what we'll try to do next time is a little more organized and fair and balanced. I'll get the other motor. I thought I had it here and I don't. I'm going to go get it and bring it down. Not today, but soon. And we'll test it. We'll do a runoff. Same exact cars. And I think what we should do is time maybe like 3 laps or 1 lap. I don't know. And just see how long does it take one engine to pull 10 cars. Yeah, you can pull 10 cars. Okay, well, how many times, how fast can you know what I mean? Given the same everything. Okay, that's the idea. We'll figure it out. You guys help me. Tell me what you want to see. We're running ragged. Okay, later, gang.